Do you feel exhausted after speaking English? Even after a 10-minute conversation? Do you end up with a headache or perhaps a sore jaw? You might think you're just out of practice, but the truth is much more physical. You're working against the language. The reason is simple. You're likely opening your mouth too much. In 20 years of coaching English learners, especially Spaniards, I've observed a consistent trend. They try to pronounce every word with exaggerated clarity, but a wide open mouth creates instant tension. English is actually designed to save energy. Take the word see. It's longer than the Spanish sí, but the mouth stays more closed. Sí, 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 sí. If your mouth is too wide, you'll miss the center of gravity of English, the schwa. This is the symbol that represents this sound. It's a very lazy sound, like the one you make when you exhale a tired and very close to the sound you make when you're thinking, Look at banana or about. Those aren't clear sounds, they're just neutral breaths. Compare that to actor. The first A is stressed and clear, but the ending is pure lazy short. Even words like the, and to vanish into shores to create flow. I went to the store for a minute. I went to the store for a minute. It's so common that even Mac Knopfler sings guitar as a short instead of guitar in money for nothing. But that's not the only danger. Opening the mouth too wide also forces that classic sound before words like speak, stay, or stiff. While an S sound belongs in X-rays, it has no place in spoken. It's not Espoken, but spoken. Also, when words are pronounced one by one with a wide mouth, connected speech gets destroyed. Plus, the cycles of memory the brain relies on in English speech are shorter than Spanish ones because words and sentences are shorter too. English is a string of sounds, not a list of words your listener won't get hold of. If a speaker doesn't link them, they'll lose their listener and their breath. By opening your mouth less, you'll notice the sound of your voice changes. That means you're on the right track. When speaking another language, it's natural for your voice to change. If it doesn't, it's likely because your mouth positioning isn't quite right. But don't be like that one student who took this so literally that he struggled to keep his lips closed and teeth clenched, looking and sounding like a ventriloquist. So relax, because otherwise same old story, we're back where we started. Just take it easy before speaking, or if you feel yourself getting stressed out while doing so, find that neutral or sound and work around it. In English, to be understood, less really is more. If you're tired of fighting with your pronunciation and finally want to master fluency and take your English to the next level with my classes, click the link in the description and fill out the form. I'm Alex Hortolano and this is Real Bilingo. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and don't miss any of my tips for speaking real English. See ya!